Welcome to The Laboratory, a video series brought to you by Miracles Innovation Labs.
Hello everyone, myself Pavani Moturi, working as a research associate from Miracle Innovation Labs. This video is all about building a agent assistant bot for customer service using Microsoft Cognitive Services. Coming to the agenda, firstly, we'll be discussing about the introduction to chatbots and then the capabilities of this particular chatbot and followed by user agent approach and a live demo and then the architectural flow, and finally the technologies used to build this chatbot.
Next, what is a chatbot and why do we need them? Artificial intelligence made a great progress from past 5 years and people become more comfortable while interacting with this chatbot. These chatbots can also understand natural language, so people can easily make communication with the chatbots with whatever the language they are comfortable with. Coming to the capabilities of William, firstly, William acts as an assistant to the agent. An agent can help to solve the queries and issues of the customers. Agents can easily get the order status and tracking information of a product using this bot, and they can check the warranty information of the user requested product. And sometimes if the user have a picture of a product and they want to know what the product is, then agent can simply upload the picture and bot identify the product, and also agents can check the nearby store information. User agent approach. Initially, user requests the agent for any information. Then, instead of searching for the data, agent simply asks the bot, and bot will respond back to the agent, and then agent will give the information back to the user. This is how agent user agent approach will work. Now, let us see William in action. Here we integrated our chatbot with a web channel. So in order to chat with the bot, we need to log in first. So I'm logging into the bot with my credentials. So this is a interface to which we integrate and we interact with the bot. So proactively it is saying like, hi, I am William, the agent assistant bot. I can help you to answer most common queries of the customers. So now I'm greeting the bot by saying hi. Hey P Moturi, how can I help you today? What can you do? So it can help me with all these functionalities like retrieving the order status and also request for the shipping and delivery status, and also provides the warranty information, and we can know the nearby store information by using this bot. Also we can identify the product by uploading images or by giving some data. So now I would like to provide warranty information. Like I want to know the warranty information of some product. So it is saying like, sure, I can help you to retrieve warranty information. Do you happen to know the model number of the product? So if you have a model number of a product, you can go with yes. If not, you can go with no. So as of now, I have a model number of a product. So I go with yes. Then it is asking me like, can you please enter the model number of the product? So I have to give a model number. So this is K2006 is the model number of my product. Then it is saying like, hi, I see that the K2006 relates to a model of sinks. So this product comes with a warranty of 1 year from the date of purchase. Generally, sinks have 1 year of warranty from the date of purchase. So what if I don't have a model number of a product, but I want to know the warranty information of some product? Now, provide warranty information. So it is saying like, sure, I can help you to retrieve the warranty information. Do you happen to know the model number of the product? But I don't have a model number of a product. Now this time I go with no. So again, it is giving me an option like, do you have an image of the product? So if you have an image of the product, you can go with yes. So it is asking me, please use the upload image button on the bottom left side of the chat window to upload an image of the product that you are looking for. I have some pictures. I want to know the warranty information of these pictures. So I am uploading one image. So give me a second. Let me try recognizing the product in this picture. So it is recognizing, and it is recognized as, I was able to recognize this product and it falls in the category of sinks. So it is a product of sinks. It's model number K2006. This product comes with a warranty of 1 year from the date of purchase. Now I would like to know the order status. What is the order status? So it is asking like, please enter the customer's order number. ORD 9866. This is my order number. So this is the order details and order status. Now I would like to know the nearby store information. Provide the nearby store information. So here are the nearby store address. Like it is giving me some address. Now I would like to identify a product. So it is giving like, I can help you to identify products by taking a look at an image of it. Do you have any image that I can see? So if you want to identify any product, you need to upload the image of that product. I have an image of the product. Please use the upload image button on the bottom left side of the chat window to upload the image. So this time I'll upload some other pic. So it is saying like, I see that the picture is of a product that falls in the category of showers. So here is some more information about this kind of product. Architectural flow. Firstly, user requests the agent, and then agent will send the request to the bot, and every request to the bot will be sent to the MS bot framework first, and then through messaging endpoint, the request will go to the Node.js. From Node.js, it will hit the LUIS endpoint, and LUIS analyzes the user input and gives the intent and entities. And then bot builder, based on the intent, the response will be sent back to the agent. And if any product identification scenarios are there, then the image will be sent to the custom vision, and it identifies the product by taking the image of the product and sends the image tag name as a response to the agent. And from the agent, it will go back to the user. This is how user and agent bot communication works. Introduction to Microsoft Bot Framework and LUIS. Microsoft Bot Framework is a comprehensive framework for building enterprise-grade conversational AI experiences. The components of MS Bot Framework are Bot Connector. It helps us to connect our bots easily to text or SMS, Office 365 mail, Skype, Slack, web channels, and other services. And coming to the second component, Bot Builder SDK. This SDK provides everything we need to build the dialogues using Node.js and C#. Bot Framework Emulator is a third component of MS Bot Framework. It is a desktop application that allows us to test and debug our bots either locally or remotely. Coming to the technology stack, Azure Custom Vision is a cognitive service that improves our own image classifiers. An image classifier is an AI service that applies labels to the images according to their visible characteristics. Microsoft Azure is a cloud computing service created by Microsoft for building, testing, deploying, and managing the applications and services through Microsoft managed data centers. And next, LUIS. LUIS is a machine learning based service to build natural language into apps, bots, and IoT devices, and to quickly create enterprise ready custom models which continuously improve. Then, Microsoft Bot Framework is a powerful set of services, tools, and SDKs that provides a rich foundation or framework for developers to build and connect intelligent bots. Finally, Node.js is a platform built on Chrome's JavaScript runtime for easily building fast, scalable network applications. It uses an event-driven, non-blocking I/O model that makes it lightweight and efficient and real-time applications that runs across the distributed devices. Thank you.
Thank you for watching The Laboratory, a video series brought to you by Miracles Innovation Labs. For more on innovation, please visit miraclesoft.com/thelabs.